Hello and welcome to Alpha English. My name is Teacher Amanda. In this video, we are going to learn 10 different ways to say I love you in English. Number 1. You melt my heart. Number 2. You are my world. Number 3. I adore you. Number 4. You are the only one for me. Number 5. I love you to the moon and back. Number 6. I'm crazy about you. Number 7. You are always on my mind. Number 8. You are one in a million. Number 9. No one matters but you. Number 10. I can't live without you. You did great. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Alpha English for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.